Looking for fun to play with your besties in just one place? You better check this out.
Today, I'm here with my bestie and we challenge ourselves to try out these fun mini games here at SM Game Park. The first thing we tried is billiards. Girl, unang tira ko palang wala na kagad ako napasok. Ang LT dito kasi instead yung brown yung gusto mapasok, yung red tayo. Hindi nga gumalaw yung brown eh.
Ilan ba, be? Ilan ba? May isa ka napasok, Bes!
At humirit pa, kala mo talaga. O diba, Arma? Pagtanto ko talaga na hindi para sa kanyang pagbibilliards. Wala tayo na. Kita lang naman. Kita ano tayo? Next na na-try namin is ito namang e-hoops, which is yung mga typical na basketball arcade na nalalaro natin.
Guys, mag-start na kami, guys.
Bes, ang lapit na niyan, Bes ha. Ba't wala ka pa din napapasok, Bes?
Kiss be, hindi tayo para dito. Alam ko masushoot ko lahat eh. Expected ko nandito eh. Naglaro, gumano. Feel ko yung mini-hoops mas mababa pa. Pambata na yan. Guys, magpa-practice tayo, guys. Ay, kaya na to, kuya. Nakashoot na ako eh. Kita nyo yon? Una pa lang
Ang yabang, nakakainis.
Be, nakapa tayo, be.
And last is the archer.
First result. Proud mom. Proud.
Perfect!
Anyways, overall we had the best experience here and you all should try this out with your besties. Stay tuned for another impossible challenge at SM Game Park.